Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on Microsoft Office 365, full guide step by step clearly. Start by evaluating your current needs for Microsoft Office 365. Identify which apps and services you actually use on a regular basis. Determine the most suitable plan based on your requirements. Visit the official Microsoft Office 365 website to review available plans. Consider opting for a personal or family plan if multiple users are needed. Check if your employer or educational institution offers Office 365 for free. Look for promotions or discounts available through retailers or online platforms. Consider seasonal sales events like Black Friday or back-to-school promotions for potential savings. Explore bundled offers that may include Office 365 with other software or services. If you are a student, check for discounts specifically for students. Consider switching to an annual subscription, as it often provides a better value than a monthly plan. Evaluate other alternatives to Office 365, such as Google Workspace or LibreOffice. Take advantage of free trials to test out features before committing. If you only need access for a short period, explore pay-per-use options. Keep an eye on your subscription renewal dates to avoid unexpected charges. Review your billing statements regularly for any unwanted add-ons or renewals. Contact Microsoft support if you need assistance with your subscription or billing. Explore online forums and communities for tips from other users on how to save. Utilize shared accounts judiciously if acceptable under Microsoft's terms of service. Stay informed about any updates or changes to Microsoft Office pricing or plans. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.